Hello everyone, I'm PRM Jason. Right now I am Düsseldorf K-Show 2025 and here is the Kingsteel booth and I'm meeting their manager, Jerry.
Hello everyone, my name is Jerry. I'm the Business Development Manager with Kingsteel. Happy to see you guys.
Nice to meeting you, and it's my first time to come to Kingsteel's booth and I want to know about your history, like how many times have you joined the K-Show before, and can you give me a little description about your company, the service and product?
I don't actually know how many times we've been here because it's a long time since 1986. So Kingsteel is a company specializing in manufacturing injection molding machines, started with EVA and now landed in supercritical injection molding, which means we're developing the entire injection systems in-house, design, develop, and manufacture everything, and then assemble everything into a machine.
So can you tell me what is the wall telling me about?
Yeah, so as you may know, in injection molding world, there is material, machine, and molds. And material definitely played a significant part of it. So these materials are showcasing our capability on processing different materials, delivering different performance to empowering our customers' products.
So it can be very diverse to the high value to the universal product. You can all fit inside your machine.
Yeah, exactly. Like people have different ways, different functions. They want to run fast, they want to run long or slow, and all these are relying on the material performance.
Okay, I can't wait to see the machine actually look. Let's go. Oh, so right now we are in front of this injection molding machines. Can you tell me its advantage and why do you bring it inside the exhibition?
Yeah, so I would say like automation is a very important part for especially European manufacturing. So what we're doing here is empowering our customer to do local for local manufacturing. So as you can see here, there is a rotary machine with one working station where we could have a worker or a robot arm picking up the products for the manufacturers. So this is really allowing a lot of complicated assembly process to be only one shot.
I see. There are expensive workers everywhere, but everyone cannot find the suitable person, right?
Exactly.
So the automation become their savior, and you definitely consider it into your machines.
Exactly. So we feel the pain of our customers. So this is really something that we want to do. So here we have a shoe that I want to show you guys. So this is a shoe made by mono materials, things from the upper, midsole, and to the outsole. These are all made by TPU, by BASF. So basically we could just chop these shoes into pieces and recycle everything. So put it back to its product life.
That shoes just look very delicate. Can I have one after the show?
For sure.
Hey Jerry, can you tell me about this area about? Because it seems like you are starting a lecture in here.
Exactly. So we're having this seminar sessions at K2025, telling people what material could be used and what is the performance behind those and what is the science behind all these material functions. So every day we're starting a seminar with all the major material suppliers like BASF, Solenis, and Arkema. So everybody will be sitting here having this seminar together with us.
Oh, so you invite the materials brand in here to tell the buyer how to utilize their product and also your machine.
Exactly. So it's not only about like selling machines. We really want to deliver this positive message to the market that this is a mature process which you can choose from and then really play around with it.
That's a really unique activity. It's made by the exhibitor itself.
Yes, so this is really a fun experience with everybody because every seminar is sitting like 20, 30 people and there are a lot of people standing, but unfortunately we don't have that many seats. So yeah.
Oh, after all this information, it just makes me more curious about what's the final product could look like. Can you tell me more about it?
Sure, come with me. Let's go.
Hey Jerry, I found this fancy wall really appealing. So can you tell me more about it?
Yeah, sure. So as you guys can see here, we don't actually just have the footwear products. We have many different things from different industries. And especially on this video, we're showing different applications from automotive, medical, and then possibly aerospace. So yeah, the world is big and we're really looking into these industries.
I just love the multi-function your machine can do. And I really appreciate your time today.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Hey audience, please watch it on time and I will bring you more information on the K-Show Düsseldorf and I will see you next time. Bye.